Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate ganache in 3 ways. So chocolate ganache, all you know, is unbelievably delicious combination of cream and chocolate. Today I am using dark chocolate, which is the easiest one to work with. I'll show you 3 ways of ganache: pouring ganache, piping ganache and whipped ganache. So let's start the recipe, but before that make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new recipes every week. A perfect ganache is all about the ratio. I like to measure both the ingredients, chocolate and heavy cream. So I have taken 100 ml of heavy cream, which I am putting on a low flame until it starts simmering. You don't have to boil it. When you see the cream has started simmering, turn off the flame and add it to 200 grams of dark chocolate. Stir it slowly, gently and let the chocolate melt. Do not stir it fast, otherwise you will end up with curdled ganache. Okay, so at this time, this ganache is perfect for pouring and dripping. I'll show you how to pour on a cupcake. Next, cover this ganache and let it rest for an hour in the fridge. After an hour, you will see that the ganache has thickened up a bit. Now you have to whip it. Whip it until you see that it has started changing the color. Do not whip it too much. This consistency is perfect for decorating the cupcakes and cakes. This is also known as whipped chocolate ganache. Now I'll show you how to use it. Next, cover this ganache with a cling wrap and keep it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. After 4 hours, you can use this ganache to decorate or cover your cakes and cupcakes. Main difference between the piping and frosting ganache is the consistency. I'll show you on my cupcake. I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know if you have any question about it in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.